Hello everyone. Hope all is well today. And I'm getting ready. I'm going to read my scripture today. Seek justice, encourage the oppressor. Isaiah 1:17. Seek justice, encourage the oppressor. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of my subscribers and everyone today. And I hope you are having a nice day today and a nice week, getting ready for preparing for the holidays. So right now, I'm getting ready to prepare. I'm cooking. I'm fixing to make turkey croquettes. All right. So
yeah, she just cooked the turkey a couple of days ago because she wanted some turkey salad. Make the kids some turkey salad because we had a turkey in the freezer. So this is the meat she have left. So she's gonna make a turkey croquettes out of it. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm putting in. I have my my chopped onions and bell peppers. So I'm putting it in. I'm gonna be stirring it up. And I also am putting in some cream cheese. I'll be putting in about this is but I'm going to be putting in 2 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, I'm going to be putting my black pepper. Of course, garlic powder. Oh, this is the fine garlic powder. I don't like that. I'll have to get my regular garlic powder. Okay. Okay. Let me get my regular garlic powder. I don't like the fine garlic powder. I didn't look at it when I took it out. So, just give me a second here. Oh, this garlic powder. Okay. Okay. Well, all right, I'm going to be mashing this together. This when I got through with this turkey, and I chopped it up real fine. It's more than I thought I have here, so I was going to put 1 egg in it, and I had put this 2 ounces of cream cheese, but I don't have to put, it's a little more than I thought, so I'm going to put 2 more ounces in there, please. Okay, I'm going to add my egg. Two eggs. I didn't realize how much this would come to after I got it, after I really chopped it up real fine. Give me a spoon. Let me see if I got seasoning. Gonna try it and see if I have enough seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of heavy cream. That's probably about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. This is very delicious. It doesn't take very long to make it. But I'm going to get my skillet warm enough. I'm going to put just a little bit of plain breadcrumbs in. Let me see if my grease is getting hot now. Turn it over. Turn it over. fast. I don't know. I like that one. For some reason, it burning too fast. This is the final touches of my turkey croquettes. They're made just sort of like the salmon croquettes, but they're just turkey croquettes made out of turkey.
And she took the turkey meat and grind it up in a little grinding thing, little thing she got from QVC.
Okay, and I have what's called what is it? It's really like your it's very good. So it's for the mini. It's preparation. It's really made for preparations. Charging that, and it's just I didn't need a larger one. I just need it for small items to do. So this is what I use to chop. It chops and grinds up everything for your salads and everything. So this is called the mini prep. So that's what it is. Processor, okay. But it's just a small one.
Crazy
it's just
enough.
a 3-cup size processor. But it's very nice to have if you don't have very much to do at one time. So I just needed this small one just for this purpose.
Yeah, it's so good. Oh,
I think that I got it when they had them in the Black Friday sale for like $29 for the mini one. That's the bigger one. It's usually about $99 to $100 and something. But I didn't need a large one. I just need it just for small items when I'm in a hurry. Okay, I thank you all. So I hope you will try these. Well, you can be chicken, turkey, or whatever to make them. So they're very good.
Yeah, it's so good. Oh my goodness.
So that's the way they. This is the way they look when you complete them. Very, very good. And you put just a little bit of I put about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream in it with the heavy cream with the cream cheese.
How much?
And 2 eggs. And so I'm thinking that this was probably about 2 pounds of turkey. I do so much chicken, everything's chicken. But I know it's very good. I put just onion and bell pepper and just my regular seasoning in it.
Oh, y'all, it's so good. Oh, my goodness. And she did add a little complete in there, too, y'all. But you can season it the way you like. It's so good.
It's very good.
That'd be good if you have any, if you cooking turkey after Christmas, have some left. That is so good.
Really good. This is off the chain. And it doesn't take long to make it.
Sorry, y'all. Drinking water.
Just get it chopped up and that's it. Okay. So, I'm going to say goodbye. This is my day of day 20. Vlogmas. Day 20 by Miss. So I was trying to get something else so okay, I'll see you day 21. Happy holidays. Have a nice shopping tonight. Have a nice weekend coming up.
Bye.
My love.
Bye, y'all.